Have you ever imagined doing an entire black pepper espresso? Don't have to. We'll do it right now. Why? Because... this is a good quantity, right? So, okay, let's grind it. We have to turn it clockwise direction, so it's like this. Like this. Come on. Oh yeah. Alright. I guess this size is good enough. Alright. I don't know if it's enough quantity. Maybe we need more. I missed the electric one. It's oh, it's finally over. Let's see how much we got. I love the smell of grounded black pepper. Oh, I loved to use this in my recipes, but let's do an espresso with this. Well, we still have more, but now I can use this for my recipes anyway. Now let's do our spready thing. And now our compressy thing. It looks compressed. Wow. And well, it is compressed. Okay. Now let's see if the entire black pepper espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. Why I'm doing this? Oh, I wasn't expecting this color, but it's black pepper after all. Oh, a lot of pressure. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's call it a day. Yeah, sure. It looks appetizing. All right. Yes, of course I'm going to try it. I did this on purpose. I know what I'm doing. Okay, well, that almost looks like a coffee. Actually, it definitely doesn't have the smell of coffee, but well, it kind of reminds me the coffee that we take from the mocha machine. You know, well, we have zero crema. Well, which means that maybe black pepper doesn't have fat in it, so I guess it was expected. Well, let's proceed to the... Did I say about the visuals? Oh, okay. Well, let's proceed then to the next part, the smell then, okay? So the smell... Oh, what? Already spoken about the smell, okay. Well, the only thing that separates us from the end of this video is the taste tests. Alright. Saúde then. Okay.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
This is really spicy. It's impossible to drink the entire glass of this espresso in here. I never knew that black pepper could be so spicy in liquid form. We took a lot black pepper spice and we threw it in this small portion of espresso. Let's see how the puck has become. Alright, let's see it. Well, this is a well hydrated one. A perfect puck, if I dare to say that. I'll give a shot for this small amount in here just to see if it's different from black pepper, not soupy. Let's see. Oh, it's more spicy than a regular black pepper. Maybe The infusion in here increased the flavor of black pepper, so it's more intense, both in terms of spiciness and smokiness. It's actually very good for seasoning, but not for eating like this. So, if you ask me if it's possible to make an espresso entirely made of black pepper, my answer is, well, technically you can do it, but should you do it? No! Black pepper espresso, black pepper puck. And that's how you don't make a carbonara with black pepper espresso.